Welcome back to AI Workflows, your daily dose of AI tools and automation ideas that save you time and make your work effortless. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can literally automate your daily work, from writing emails to managing projects and even replying to clients automatically. These tools are 100% real, and I personally tested all of them. So let's get started. Number 1. Zapier AI. Zapier has been around for years, but in 2025, it became even smarter with its new AI automation builder. Imagine this: you get an email from a client, Zapier automatically saves the attachment in Google Drive, sends a message on Slack, and even updates your Notion workspace, all without touching your keyboard. You can create what's called a Zap, which connects apps like Gmail, ChatGap, Notion, and Google Sheets, and then lets AI decide what to do next. It's like having your personal digital assistant working 24/7. Pro tip: try using ChatGap with Zapier, for example. Automatically summarize your new emails or Slack messages into a daily report. Number 2. ClickUp AI. If you manage multiple projects or teams, ClickUp AI is a total game changer. It doesn't just help you track tasks, it actually helps you think. You can ask ClickUp to write meeting summaries, generate task lists, or even plan a week's worth of goals based on your past work. Let's say you're managing a YouTube channel like this one. ClickUp AI can create a full video production schedule, assign tasks, and track progress all automatically. And the best part? It integrates perfectly with Slack, Notion, and Google Drive, so your data stays connected everywhere. Pro tip: use ClickUp AI's Smart Summary to generate weekly performance reports. It saves hours of manual writing. Number 3. Bardeen AI. Now this one is crazy smart. Bardeen is an AI automation extension that works right inside your browser. It can scrape data from websites, copy information into Google Sheets, and even fill forms automatically, all while you sip your coffee. You can record one action like copying leads from LinkedIn, and Bardeen will repeat that task automatically every time. It's perfect for digital marketers, researchers, and entrepreneurs who do a lot of repetitive work online. Pro tip: pair Bardeen with Google Sheets. It becomes a full data automation system with no coding at all. So those are the top 3 AI tools that can fully automate your work in 2025: Zapier, ClickUp, and Bardeen. If you want to save time, stop doing manual tasks, and focus on what really matters, start testing these tools today. Which one do you want to try first? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Workflows, and hit the bell icon, because tomorrow I'll show you 3 new AI tools that are even smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.